happened here?
I don't know. I cannot remember what happened.
Where did you get that?
I don't know po.
Anong I don't know po?
I don't know.
Why it's so big?
I don't know.
Did your playmate scratch this?
No, there's nails.
Oh, where did you hit that?
I don't know.
Did you fall?
I remember there are sticks. Then I climbed them. But I don't feel them. My friends told me I must have do that. But I don't feel anything.
Your friends told you na pala na wag mong gawin eh. Why did you do it again?
No, I didn't do it. My friends told me I maybe get hurt there. But I did not remember what happened here.
Tara mo, big,
But I didn't feel any pain.
Didn't feel any pain.
I didn't feel anything talaga.
Look, so big.
I didn't feel anything.
Lagyan natin alcohol,
I really don't feel anything.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Lagyan daddy alcohol.
No.
Baya, you said you don't feel anything.
Yeah, I don't feel, but alcohol I do.
Alcohol you do?
Yeah.
Why?
It's so mental then.
So mental.
Yeah. I'm going to cry if that alcohol. Every time if mommy say bad things, I cry.
Every time? What kind of bad things?
Like, she grounded me, she abandoned me like that.
So arte mo.